So if you're a teacher who would like to start using question banks where a quiz can pull a question in a certain category, what that does, it allows you to kind of randomize your quizzes so there's less likelihood for cheating. So there's several ways you can do that. The first way would be to create question banks. And to create a question bank, you would go to quizzes, and then up here at the three dots, manage question banks. And you can add a question bank. And I think it's important right here that you name your bank something that makes it easy for you to know these are what these questions are about. That's kind of a given. Once you type it in, all you have to do is hit enter, and it creates that bank. Then you can go in and click on that, and you can add questions to that bank, or if you have questions already made, you can move questions from things that are made into a question bank. So I could add multiple questions right here having to do with responsible use of technology. So that's a really easy way to do that. Now, what does that look like when I'm in a quiz? So if I go back to quizzes, I then have the ability to create a quiz. I'm just going to go into one that I've already created. And if I go and edit that quiz and I look at my questions, I can go down to the bottom and I can add a new question. Add a new question group. And so how this would work is, okay, I want this quiz to have 3 questions about digital citizenship, but I'm going to put 6 potential questions in for the quiz to choose from. So I can actually label it whatever it is that I think it'll be easy to find later. I can have it to pick however many questions, and then I'm going to create the group. But I could also link it back to that question bank that I've already created, where it would just pull those questions from there. So the question banks are a really good, easy way for you, especially if you're a teacher that you know you're going to retest on that at the end of the semester, to access those easily and in an efficient way that seems organized.